Everyone, welcome back to our Gyan Amrit coaching news assembly headlines. First from national news, Manu Bhaker wins silver medal in Paris Olympic. Manu Bhaker and Marks women clinched bronze medal at the Paris Olympic 2024. The last time India won shooting medals at London Olympics 2012. Gagan Narang is the chief de mission of the Paris contingent right now. Second news, Odisha demands central funds for meeting disasters. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manji asked the Niti Ayog for financial package to build disaster resilient infrastructure in power, telecom, and coastal saline embankments to minimize the adverse consequences of cyclones and floods. Now, international news. Israel vows to hit Hezbollah after rocket kills 12 children. Thousands of mourners attended the funeral ceremonies for the 12 children and teenagers killed by a rocket strike in the Israel occupied Golan Heights. Hezbollah denied any responsibility for the attack, the deadliest in Israeli annexed or occupied territory since Hamas' October 7 assault sparked the war in Gaza. Venezuela intense amid votes in shadow of bloodbath, a warning from Nicolas Maduro. People of Venezuela voted between continuity in President Nicolas Maduro or change in rival Edmundo Gonzalez amid high tension following the incumbent's threat of a bloodbath if he loses election, which polls suggest is likely. Thank you.